Hello, viewers. Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics Question 3B BECE 2025. A polytank contains 4,500 liters of water, and 1/5 of the water is used for cleaning. We have to find the volume of water used in cleaning and the percentage of water that is left in the tank. So if I use the 1/5 of water, meaning the water, the capacity, which is 4,500, is divided into 5 parts or 5 groups. Then I use first part. Well, let's say we divide that water into 5 equal containers. Then I use one of the containers to wash. Then I will be left with 4 of such containers. 4 out of 5 of that container left, which will be the remaining water. So if I'm doing that, I can say that for the first part, volume of water used for what? Cleaning is going to be 1/5 of the total liters of what? Water. So in this case, 5 can go into 45, 9. That will give us 900 what? Liters. Which means 900 liters of water is being used in doing that. All right. Now, if we want to find the remaining one, so we can say the word volume of water left is going to be 4 out of 5 times 4,500 liters. Remember, we use one part of it, remaining 4 out of 5. So that is also going to be 4 here, 9. 9 times this, 36. Then we have for 3,600 liters. This is not the only way we can get it. We can also subtract the 900 from the 4,500. That's the remaining one. So 4,500 minus what? 900. I'm sure it will give you the same thing. If you take away 400 from here, 500 from here, you are left with 400. 400 from 4,000 give you 3,600. All right. Now, but that is not what we are looking for. We are looking for percentage of water left. The percentage of water left is the volume of water left compared with the volume of water or the capacity of the tank. So if I'm looking for percentage, it's going to be volume of water 3,600 divided by total volume of water 4,500, expressed as what? A percentage. Expressing that value as a percentage give you your result. So you can see this, we'll cancel this. Let's take it like 9 here 4, 9 here 5, 5 here 1, 5 here what? 20, right? 20 times that will give you 80%, meaning 20% of water was used for cleaning, then 80% of water was left in the tank. All right, I guess concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.